Hello, so this video is just for senior high teachers who avail my CPAR PowerPoint presentations for quarter 1, week 1. So we have here the activities, day 1, day 2, 3, 4, and we have also performance tasks. But I will just show you the day 1, day 3, and day 4 on how the PowerPoint presentation works. Let's start with our day 1 presentation. So, wait. Ayan. So, we have here the learning topics slide. So, kung makikita niyo po dito, meron ditong learning topics and then meron ditong click here na arrow. Just click this one and mapupunta siya sa definition of contemporary arts na slide. Ayan. And then next lang, click lang po yung next sa keyboard hanggang sa makita nyo si slide na may back button dito. Click lang po yung arrow. And then, ayan, babalik po siya sa learning topics slide. Next lang yung nature of art. And then, if i-discuss lang siya, just click the arrow again. And we also have the importance, ganyan. Ganun lang po siya as like dun sa definition of contemporary arts. Click lang po yung arrow. And lastly, the art production. Proceed na po tayo dito. Ganun lang din siya. Click lang yung arrow and then ayan, done na po. Next po natin is yung day 3 PowerPoint presentation. So, ganun lang din po siya. Tulad lang siya ng PowerPoint presentation day 1. Meron lang din dito siyang arrow na click here para mapunta siya dun sa desired na learning topic. And then, wait lang po natin si back button. Ay, wait. Ayun na. Click lang natin yung back arrow. And then, ayan. Ganun lang po siya. And, lastly, try natin yung last learning topic, yung an overview about various contemporary art forms in different regions. Click lang yung arrow. And then, ayan. Done na. And lastly, yung PowerPoint presentation for day 4. Medyo iba siya compared dun sa first day 1 and day 3. Ito. Click lang natin yung elements of art. Diba may elements of art? Ayan. Pwede natin click yung elements of art or yung circle na to. Mapupunta siya sa elements of art na slide. And then, ayan. Next na lang. Click lang natin yung next button dun sa keyboard. Hanggang sa makita natin itong back na arrow. Click lang natin yon para balik siya dun sa learning topics. And then we have here the number 2, principle of art. Number 3, genre of art. So, click lang natin yung gusto nating i-discuss. Ay, wait. Number 2. Ganun lang po siya. Ayan. So, thank you for availing my PowerPoint presentation.